Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Afterpay on Booking.com. So first, I am going to tell you that if you want to use the Afterpay on Booking.com, Booking.com does not reliably accept Afterpay as a payment method. So you probably won't see it at checkout. But don't worry because there are easy workarounds so you can still book now and pay in installments. So if you want it to happen. So first is open any of your web browser and then you just have to log into your booking.com account. Okay, so right here you just have to book your flight stays or hotel, so it's up to you. So for example, we are going to select stays. All right, and then where are you going? So for example, Manila, Philippines, and then you're checked in and checked out date. Okay, so for example, okay, after that, tap on the search option. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here, using the filter, you just have to look for the pay at property option. Okay, so let's just find the pay at property option. Okay, so just scroll down and go to the reservation policy and tap on the no prepayment. And after that, you'll be able to see here all of the hotel that you can book and you can pay them at the hotel. Okay, so if you want more to be more extra, you can call or message the hotel after booking and then I can confirm the payment terms. Because sometimes hotels can change how you pay if you talk to them directly. So after that, you just have to reserve your apartment to stay. Okay, tap on the I'll reserve option. And then here we can see the pay at the property. Okay, so after that, you just have to put your details and then for the payment method, so you just have to still input your card details, but don't worry because they are not going to charge you because you are going to pay at their property. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.